Yo, what's up guys? All right, this is several days. I didn't record none of this, but I gotta take all this shit off because I didn't glue the insulation to the panels. I didn't put no foam expansion, anything between the foam and everything. And also I gotta run the wiring through all through this. I already ran the wiring. Look, check. So I'm excited about this. I saw this company, I think it's called IEP-USA.com. But this guy made a component or made a whole fuse box for a Milwaukee battery so I could run my lights. Look, check that out. So I got these LEDs running all around here. I got these pod lights that I put up here. I got some more lighting that I'm gonna be running. But yeah, these are the electrical. I still got these going because I gotta run another light bar right there. But yeah, this is all rough. Like I said, I gotta take all the wood off again, take the paneling off again, or the insulation, so I could glue it to the wall itself. I didn't do that. If I leave it like that, there's probably gonna be a lot of rattling. I don't want that. Also put the foam in between the middle as well. The expansion foam, like in between all these cracks. I need to do that as well. Put the insulation. Of course, I'm gonna get new tape. This was just like mock-up type stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna run Home Depot real quick. I got back with the tape, expansion foam. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm pretty much like a mechanic and a car enthusiast. So all this carpentry, like building type stuff, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just watching videos, but I'm not gonna get discouraged and not do it. I'm also trying to save money because all this is taking a lot of money, a lot of my time, but I'm willing to learn. And that should be the goal for y'all too, is just learn as much as you can, study. YouTube is such a good tool to where you can learn everything. So that's what I'm doing. I didn't put no caulking or anything behind the insulation. So all of this pretty much is rattling between the wood and the trailer metal. Glue this on the aluminum sheeting and then put the wood over it. So that's what we're gonna do. Take everything apart, do it properly, even though it's probably not the best choice, but it's gonna work. So, well, we gotta pimp down. Well, we're gonna say goodbye to this one. Rest in peace, right? All right, on to the next. Oh, no. That was 10 minutes. Dang.
Follow in my footsteps, I say hello, 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 hello. You can't do what I do, that's just something you don't.
All right, it's the next morning. We gotta do a little cleanup because today is trash day, and I think I hear them down the street. Need to charge my phone. Check this out. So this is the new Milwaukee powered light system, and I could charge my phone on it. It's not gonna turn on till I turn this switch on. That indicates that it's on. Green light means it's on. All right, now we're charging. Trash cans are empty. This whole trailer solid. See, yesterday I was able to lift up and have a gap between here. Now it's not. I lopped that off, cut all that off. I need to make something. I'm trying to clamp certain areas around here, especially this part right here, so I could get an angle. I don't want to bring the tripod in here because it's such a tight squeeze. Figure out how to make this work with the GoPro. Yo, what's going on, guys? So I just picked up this wood for the ceiling. I'm gonna do a slat ceiling all the way down and then primer it, paint it. But before I could do that, I forgot. I gotta do the wiring for the outdoor or the exterior lights. I wanna put one, I don't know if I should put one or two. One right there, one right there. I also want one back here for the tongue. So when I'm like doing, I don't know yet. So two on that side, one on this side. I need to do the wiring. I need to run the wiring. So I'm gonna run the wiring all around first before I mess with this, because that's what really matters. This is a step light that should go right there. So I have to take this off again because I need to run wires all the way down here. It can be at the footwell, not the footwell, but the footstep area when I make the step stool to walk out. So I'm gonna put that light there, have them synced up with the outer lights. I need to run another line for the outside lights as well. The ones on the inside are gonna be independent from the outside, just so we can turn them off and on independently. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm just gonna cut a slit in between the foam, the insulation, and this beam, just so I could get the wires in there. All right, so I'm gonna put some tape around this so it doesn't rattle around, but I'm gonna get this fitted up in there. Oh. All these lights that I'm using are gonna be 12-volt lights, so yeah, I'm not doing conduit, I'm not running a battery like from a automotive car or nothing. So yeah, this is just the 12-volt system that I'm gonna be running. Honestly, that's not even gonna shake in there. There's holes right here because I'm doing lights. I got LED lights right here. Oh yeah, let me show you the outside. So I didn't film any of this last night. There's one right there, one right there. There's a back one right there. So I could see when I'm putting the hitch on the tongue. I got one right there. And then I got one right there. So when you're walking out, there's a light on the floor so you could see. Yeah, and I still gotta add one right there. I don't know, maybe I might put one back there. I think I should. I don't know, maybe a small little one. Or something underneath here. I'm not too sure yet. I installed a dimmer switch for the exterior lights. I just integrated it with the switches inside here, inside this switch panel. There's it. That's cool. So there it is. Man, these are bright. Oh, I can't show you all the inside yet. That's gonna be on the next couple of videos. But look at that. Wow. So there's the trailer. All the lights are done. The exteriors, this one. Oh, I also got that foot panel one that I was telling you about. There's that foot panel one for the stepping. I still gotta do the floor, but that's quite a few videos away. Anyways, I'm gonna call that a night. Y'all have a good night. Peace. Later, fools and foolettes.